Any obvious plagiarism is flagged up at that source. So do it yourself. That way you know that you're not going to get somebody using a phrase that they've used 1,000 times over. We're nearly done. I'm sure you'll be delighted to hear. This is what the upper six said last year. Well, this is what they said this year. So start early. Well, we're already ahead of the curve on that. Get lots of advice. That's why we're here today. Cut out the cheese. Don't try to be too clever. Don't try to be too smart in your personal statement. Just give the admissions tutors what they want and they will be delighted. Follow the structure. That's what we're going to be doing this afternoon. And keep your eye on the prize. There will be times when this gets tough. There will be times when this gets boring. But what we're looking at is 3 years, 4 years at a university of choice. So, what should you be doing right now? Well, obviously you're going to go off. You're going to be in these workshops this afternoon. Start putting together your portfolio. Why should anyone accept you at university? Start writing lists, the things you've done, the notable achievements, the things that have interested you, the things you want to do. Because then you can start building those into a coherent personal statement. Sometimes you just have to start writing. Just start. Worry about the structure, worry about everything else later. Just get something down. Try having a conversation with the person next to you. Ask them to ask you why you should go to university, and then just start answering those questions. In terms of resources, there are stacks of them out there. You're going to see a lot of them this afternoon. Which university is a very good place to start? Individual university websites are incredibly useful, both in terms of personal statement advice, but also what to put in a personal statement. If you look at the LSE page for economics, you have to be more specific than that, but if you look at any university page on a specific course, that header page, the landing page, will tell you what they want in a student and what the student can expect from the course. That's a very good way to start any personal statement. And also I've got my personal guide to statements there, which is available on the VLE for your delight and edification. And I think that's probably about it. Thank you very much. That's incredibly gratifying. We're going to break now. We have our specially invited guests coming. They'll be sitting here about 10:30. If you can make sure we're back in plenty of time for that. Just a couple of bits of housekeeping I didn't mention earlier. Can we please keep our feet off the furniture? Thank you very much. And we've got coffee and tea, which is tremendous, but the Roxy team did a hell of a job getting this place knocked into shape for us today. You'll know it was being used for Congreve right at the start of the week, so they've done an amazing job getting it knocked into shape for us. Can we please minimize the job that they're going to have to do getting it back into a tidy state? So let's make sure we leave this as we found it. Pick up your litter and see you back here at 10:30. Thank you very much.